Good morning, student. Good morning, students. The subject is welding technology. Today we can discuss about the resistance welding process. What is mean by resistance welding? The generation of heat because of electric resistance. The resistance welding such as seam, spot, protection work on the same principle. Whenever the current through the electric resistance, then the heat will be generated. The same working principle can be used within the electric coil. The generated heat will be depend on material resistance, applied current, condition of surface, applied the current time period. This heat generation take place because of energy conversion from electric to thermal. The resistance welding formula for heat generation is generally we can use H equal to I squared or T, where H is generated heat, the unit is joule. I is on electric current, the unit is ampere. R is on electric resistance, the unit is ohm. Time is the time of current flow, the unit is second. Next one, classification of welding. There are several types of classification of welding: gas welding, resistance welding, arc welding, never welding, solid state welding. Today we can discuss about the resistance welding. There are several types of resistance welding: resistance butt welding, resistance spot welding, resistance seam welding, resistance projection welding. First, resistance projection welding. Projection welding is similar to spot welding, apart from a dimple can be generated on work part at the place where the weld is preferred. At present, the work part held among electrode as well as a huge quantity of current flow through it. A little quantity of pressure can be applied throughout the electrode on welding shield. The flow of current throughout the dimple which is dissolved it and the force reasons the dimple level and shape of weld. It is generally used in automobile industries for joining nuts, bolts and shed to the steel plates in a car bodies. This method is especially suitable for copper, aluminum and brass materials. Next one, resistance seam welding. This is one of the resistance welding. These types of welding is known as continuous spot welding, where a roller form electrode can be utilized to supply current throughout the work part. Initially, the roller electrodes are getting in touch with the work part. High current can be supplied through this electrode roller to be melt the edge surface and shape of the weld. The general applications are given. It is mainly used in seam welding, manufacturing of tanks, tubes and other articles of steels and non-ferrous metals, which must be have a airtight joints. The another one type, it is one of the another type of the resistance welding in spot welding. The welding is heat is generated by the electric current which is transferred to the workpiece through copper alloy electrodes. Copper is used to for the electrodes as it is has a high thermal conductivity and low electrical resistance compared to the most of the metals, ensuring that the heat is generated frequently in the workpiece rather than the electrodes. There are three main types of spot welding: standard machines, second one special multiple electrode machines, third one portable welder. The general applications are given. It is mainly used in aircraft and automobile sites. Next one of the final and next one, resistance roller welding. It is one of the solid state welding process. The roller welding is process which is two or more sheets or plate are stacked together and then passed through the roll unit. Sufficient deformation of occurred to produce a solid state weld. The applications are given below. It is mostly used in mechanical working process. The main objectives of roll welding: decrease the thickness of the metal and increase the length of the metals. Thank you, students.